This is the Car Mass Center Interactive Calculator, which determines your vehicle's center of gravity position and weight distribution characteristics. First, select your calculation mode from 5 options: CG position from axle weights, CG height from weight transfer during acceleration, axle weights from CG position, or rollover threshold angle. For this demonstration, we're using CG position from axle weights. The input fields are total vehicle mass in kilograms, wheelbase L in meters, front axle weight in kilograms, rear axle weight in kilograms, and CG height H in meters. Acceleration in meters per second squared, track width in meters, CG distance from front in meters, front weight transfer in kilograms, and lateral acceleration in meters per second squared. For our example, we'll input total vehicle mass of 1,450 kilograms, wheelbase of 2.65 meters, front axle weight of 812 kilograms, and rear axle weight of 638 kilograms. After clicking Calculate, the results show CG distance from front axle is 1.166 meters, and CG distance from rear axle is 1.484 meters. And front-rear weight distribution is 56.0% front and 44.0% rear. Find the link in the description below.